Alright, so for whatever reason my track bar video, also all the footage is gone. But let me just break it down. That bolt right there needs to be undone. And then that bolt right there needs to be undone. Right there. And the track bar will basically, you can use a mallet or pry bar to take it off. And basically, once you take that off, the whole diff can move left to right, because the track bar is what keeps it from doing that. And the reason why you would want an adjustable one is because since we're lifting the whole front end up by 3 inches, that means due to the nature of the stock track bar, the entire diff would move to the right. And it really did, because my right tire was bulging way more than the left. So the adjustable track bar, you just, pretty explanatory, like, you know, it comes in 3 pieces, left side, right side, and this middle piece, and those nuts. You assemble it, like, you know, on a table, and then you put it in here. Oh yeah, you also want to measure your old one and basically make it a little bit longer than that. And there isn't really a way of like knowing what measurement it needs to be right off the bat, because I literally had to lift my front end up and look on this side, measure it, look on that side, measure it, and make adjustments as I go. And by the time the measurement got the same, that's when I knew it was time. And then doing all that actually made my alignment wrong. My steering wheel would be sideways going straight. So in order to fix that, you have to take this drag link, loosen those 2 bolts, spin that thing around, and then you'll find out which way to go, because your steering wheel will start spinning. And that's how you straighten it. Make sure your wheels are straight.